With service revenue becoming a significant revenue stream, it is critical to support a variety of repair flows. You may want to replace your customer's broken product prior to your customer returning it, or you may want to first have your customer return their broken product before providing them with a replacement. You can then either repair and refurbish the returned product or properly dispose of it. In certain cases, you may need to repair the broken product and send it back to the customer. This is often referred to as depot repair. For effective and efficient depot repair, you need complete visibility into the return and repair status to ensure the repair is executed quickly and accurately. Oracle's Depot Repair solution enables you to manage the complete depot repair and return of your customer's asset from the initial service request through billing. First, Oracle Service Center provides a single point of contact for your customers, so you can triage their issues and initiate repairs. Then, use the Manage Depot Repair UI to efficiently manage the entire flow of work in your repair organization. This UI provides complete visibility into the overall status of your repairs, linking the inbound and received returns to the associated service request, repair work order, service charges, shipment order, and invoice. This enables you to increase throughput and resource utilization and ensure proper billing. From here, you can quickly and easily create a work order to repair your customer's asset. Drill into the repair details using the Depot Repair Workbench, which provides a complete 360-degree view of the entire repair process for a specific asset. This insight helps you quickly and easily repair and return your customer's asset and properly bill for the services rendered. Leverage the Service History tab to determine how best to repair the asset, and then monitor the status of the repair. Upon completion of the repair, you can then review charges, initiate billing, and return the repaired asset to your customer. With Oracle's Depot Repair, you now have a complete solution to efficiently and effectively manage the repair and return of your customer's asset.